Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a flip through of my finished, filled out October journal. It's chunky. He's a chunky boy. He ended up very thick. So, let's get started. This will be quick. I don't do I know there are some creators who take a really long time to go through their journals. I'm not like that, so we go through quick. But this is the journal that I made during my September Build a Journal challenge, and you will find that when we get to the end of the journal that I miscounted my pages. I counted so many times to make sure I had the right amount of pages, and I didn't. So there's that. All right, so here we go. At the beginning, I just have the paper from the September Build a Challenge in there, so I remember. And then let's see, what do we do? Oh, this is the day that my kid caught me talking about him. Yep, I was really mad at him. He went for a driving lesson with his dad, and I asked him to please just take the water bottle and fill up the water bottle, because we use a 5-gallon jug and a pump. And my son and I are the only ones who use it. We both drink a ton of water, and it was empty. So I asked him if he could go pick it up, and he's like, he forgot. So I was really mad when my boyfriend got here. I was really mad, and I was like, I don't ask him to do anything, and I don't. He works. He takes care of his cat. He does the things that he needs to do. He pays the stuff he needs to pay, and yeah, I was so mad. And he heard me talking about him. But my boyfriend said that he thinks that might have been a little bit better. That he heard me and I didn't just yell at him. Then I had some, this is one of my favorite teas, the Taylor's Lemon and Orange Tea. It's so good. I read How I'll Kill You, which was also very good, and watched the Chiefs-Jets game. And had the mystery flavor of Mountain Dew, which my boyfriend swears is Smarties. Whatever. Then we went, what did we do? I just ran some errands. That was it. And when I made for dinner, that my son was like, "Oh, it's a perfect dinner." But I got these pinto beans with jalapenos at Gabe's. They were really good, but I've never seen them anywhere else. And then we started watching Special Forces and Kitchen Nightmares, and that's it. Oh, we got the dog a hoodie that looks like a hot dog. I mean, every wiener needs a hot dog hoodie. And the hashtag Feb and June Monday taste test thing was, what did you drink every day? And all I drink is coffee. That's all I drink. I journaled on that tag. What did we do that day? Oh, we went on a hike. We went on a hike, and then we got sheets for dinner because it was really bad. None of us could come up with something to eat for dinner. And this says document some seasonal decor in your house right now. And fun fact, I don't decorate. I hate it. I hate decorating because I'm the only one who does it. And I'm the only one who tears it down, and I hate it. And this is also one of my favorite teas, the vanilla caramel black tea from Bigelow. I read One of Us is Back. Here is, if you watched me fill this out in the first place, the little swinging hanging body on the parkway, because they were prepared for the parkway, haunted parkway, and there's spider webs, and here's our map of where we walked. My Fitbit tracks where we walk, so then I print out the map when we do the trail, and every time our map has been different. It makes me laugh. But yes, they were getting ready. Now it's done. Haunted Parkway is done. So then they'll be going down and tearing everything down. But that was the first time we had gone through and everything had been decorated and ready to go, because it started soon. I wrote on the tag, what's the loudest thing you heard today? The dog snoring and my son gaming. He is so loud. And then we had the rest of this pancake and waffle mix. We made them as waffles, sweet potato. Get it when it's on sale. I know they sell it at Target. It's expensive, but when it's on sale, it's a decent price, and they're so good. We had chicken and waffles. I read Infamous. Started watching Found. This is a very good show. Read Love Theoretically, and there's a picture of The puppy, and then the new end table, because I stole the upstairs end table for down here in my craft room, so my boyfriend made a new end table. And then this was my birthday, and it was, what are you feeling grateful for today, which made me laugh, and I was feeling very grateful for everything that everybody did for me. But my son got me a new paper trimmer, the neighbor got me a bunch of Cricut Joy stuff, and money for new glasses, because she's amazing. There's my puppy on a project I was making, and I did my nails. And here is packaging from gifts. I read Like You Hate Me, I don't remember it, and ate ice cream as my cake, because... And here's all my cards and my journaling. I journaled on the tag. Oh yeah, this is when my neighbor gave me the money. She wanted to buy me a Zenny gift card, but it wouldn't go through. So she just gave me the cash. And then I made some weird ass meatballs from pork, and everybody loved them. This is also another one. The Toasted Coconut Almond Bark by Bigelow is also really good. I read Sandra Brown's Out of Nowhere. Yes, I read a lot. Don't ever think that you can read as much as I do. Okay, I just read really fast. Okay, so if you only read like 2 books a month, don't feel bad because I read a lot, because I read very fast. Here's the puppy. Listen, I made these chocolate chip cookie mix, this monk fruit sweetened. This was a gift from my mother-in-law. She got me 3 different mixes because, you know, I'm low carb and then no sugar. So she got me these, and I made them, and I had them on my nightstand because they're just for me. So my boyfriend's like, please just put them in your room. Well, I had them in the room, and this is the dog, his head on my leg, staring at the bag of cookies. And this is where I journaled. Oh yeah, this is the day I had forgotten that I never picked up my meds. Oops. I'd forgotten all about it. And it was my iron, and I need my iron. Okay. So here I journaled on this. I had hit 25-pound weight loss. And, oh, it was my first hoodie day. Yes, my first hoodie day. I made chicken noodle soup for dinner, listened to an audiobook, and played Disney Dreamlight Valley. It was a Sunday. But it was very nice and cold that day. And then it was a Sunday, you could tell, because I had Dr. Pepper. And this is the hoodie I wore. My mom got me a new hoodie for my birthday, and I read What We Buried. That was okay. It was okay. We ran some errands. Went to Target for the boyfriend's meds. Went to Wegmans, Redner's, Ollie's. And then we made ham and olives. My mother-in-law had mentioned that she was obsessed with olives these days. And I was like, ooh, have you ever had a ham and olives? She's like, I don't even know what that is. So I said, okay, I'll make ham and olives. So I made ham and olives. And then I just was in the mood. We watched Talladega Nights and Identity Thief. And this, oh, we just got this from Wegmans, the tropical green. It was so good. And I read List Me With Your Best Shot. Right? Is that what this says? Yeah. But yeah, I made ham and olives. If you've never had ham and olives, it's something nobody's ever heard of it. We make it in my family, and nobody's ever heard of it. And when I asked my dad where ham and olives came from, he says he believes it came from the fact that dried beef got really expensive and ham was cheap. So if you ever had cream dried beef, SOS, whatever you want to call it, it's made the same exact way, except you do not use dried beef. You use chipped lunch meat ham and sliced green olives. It's made the same way. It's delicious. We got our flu shots. I got a package from Thrift Books. We watched Snake Oil, which I get every one of them right, by the way. It rained. We went to Dollar Tree. I had to send out my aunt's cards. She asked me to make her Thanksgiving cards. I made them on a video. Went to Kohl's, picked up an order. I ordered my son's he gets a new air fryer like every 2 years. So he's due for an air fryer. So I got him a new air fryer. My arm was sore. Oh, we were very sick from our flu shots. We had like an hour or 2 of like flu symptoms, and then it was gone, but our arms hurt like crazy. We made al pastor for lunch. Yep. My son ordered Chili's. That's his favorite place. I watched the Matthew Shepard story. And, oh, I voted. That's right. I sent in my mail-in vote, my mail-in ballot. I read The Shining. I finished it. Like, it was, oh, God love him. Oh, this is the day that I woke up in pain. So what day was this? The 12th. It's now the 31st. I have been hurting since the 12th, and I tried to make a doctor's appointment, and there's no doctor's appointments till like November. And I ain't playing that game. So here it is. I thought my hip was feeling better, so I started to do stuff, and I was in pain. I read The Defense by Steve Kavanaugh. It was really good. There's the dog just sleeping under the covers because he's a spoiled little brat. Look at him. He's under the covers in my bed. What a boogerhead. I watched No Accident documentary on Max. My hip still hurts, so I have not worked out in a really long time. Sunday, had Dr. Pepper cream soda. This was day 454 of a headache. Yep. Here, I was debating whether or not I should go to the doctor, and that was 16 days ago. I have not gone. All right. The boyfriend went to Target for something. And he got me some Disney Doorables. My son started bringing home all the buckets from the Halloween buckets from McDonald's. Let's see. We went to Second and Charles. Went for a walk. I was feeling better. My hip was feeling better, but not 100%. I got 2 Stephen King books at Second and Charles. I got my glasses, and I read The 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. And let's see. Oh, this was a Wednesday. The kid got called into work. And then when he got home, he got called into work for just a few hours to cover shifts. And when he got home, my dad made him go to Lowe's to help him with soil because my dad can't lift the soil anymore. So as a thank you, my dad ordered Chinese. I read Incendiary. We had tacos. We have a lot of tacos, by the way. And I went to return sneakers at Kohl's because I keep buying sneakers that don't fit. And then my dad wanted to go to Boscov's and buy jackets. I'm telling you, he's obsessed with jackets. Obsessed with jackets, okay? Had an online doctor appointment, a video visit doctor appointment today, and she told me just to take it easy with my hip. That was about it. I mean, she can't really do anything. It's online. Oh, I bought the Mushroom House on Disney Dreamlight Valley. I took all my moonstones. I had no moonstones left, but I bought it because you can't not have the Mushroom House. Okay, I watched a bunch of stuff this day. Why? Oh, because I was in a lot of pain again. I had felt so good. I exercised for a few days, and I felt really good, and then I was in a lot of pain. So I went and had to ice it again, heat it, Advil, everything. So I just watched TV, but I watched The Devil's Road, The True Story of Ed and Lorraine Warren, because at first I watched The Devil on Trial on Netflix that mentions that they're part of, and I read Halloween Party from Agatha Christie. Oh, and I got my ink. My instant ink. Let's see. What's in here? Oh, I got my sneakers. Again, another pair of sneakers, and they didn't fit. I kept ordering sneakers online, and because I don't know about you guys, but when I went to the store, they just didn't have a lot in store. So I kept ordering them online, and none of them fit. I returned 3 pairs of sneakers that I ordered online. But I got sneakers today. And they actually had, they got more stock in, so they actually had some for me to try on. And I got a pair today. I read The Body from Stephen King. It is just like the movie. Not completely. Not completely. There are some significant differences, but it's still so much like the movie. Read This Is How We End Things. Drank a Mountain Dew because it was Sunday. And made a snacky plate. Very boring snacky plate. Let's see. More stickers because my son brought home another. Now I have 7. I have 7 of the Halloween buckets. And let's see. Oh, went again to return my sneakers this day. And then the boyfriend had to go home because his apartment sink, his bathroom sink in his apartment, and maintenance came to fix it. And I was still hurting. I'm still hurting. Gonna have to go to the doctor. Here I hit my 40-pound weight loss. I read Karen Slaughter after that night. I got it from Pango. And we went to Aldi's. we can't, we came home with 5 different cheeses. My boyfriend's like, we can't go to Aldi's anymore. All we do is come home with cheese. I read the last one. This was weird. It was good, but weird. And watched Get Gaudy. I woke up dizzy. So my kid ordered Chili's again. He's obsessed with Chili's. He loves it. My hip was hurting again badly, but it was, I think it was the sneakers I was going to keep, but they still hurt, and I think that was the reason that I hurt. I read 10 Things That Never Happened, listened to Stephen King's Shawshank Redemption. Let's see. Oh, I finished. So my boyfriend wanted me to make him last year a blanket of the Mets wins and losses. Like, orange yarn would be their wins, blue would be the losses, and do like this whole blanket and all that. And I ran out of yarn, so I had to put it down. And I thought I never got yarn, but here I did buy more replacement yarn and never picked it up and finished it. So I finished it. I finished it on the 27th of 2023. But it's okay, it's done. I made we got the tractor back. Our tractor had broke down. It was leaking gas. So there was a leak in the gas tank, and it went into the carburetor, and that's why it was leaking and why it wouldn't start. And it was only $189 to fix it. I was really surprised. But they also replaced the spark plugs and did an oil change, and I made my dad an appointment for a COVID booster. And I watched Bodies, which was really good. If you like sci-fi mystery, this was so good. It's a British show. It was really good. Read Boyfriend Material. And what else did we do? Finished the blanket. I had to weave in all the ends. That sucked. Yeah, I finished the main part of the blanket here. But I had to weave in all the ends. Allergies were bad. And I went to Michael's to pick up an order because I needed cardstock. Colored cardstock. I read the new Murder on the Orient Express graphic novel. It was really good. Sunday. Dr. Pepper, I forgot it had been Sunday. And this was yesterday. Yesterday I got new paper. If you see, there's a video coming up where I say I only have 17 sheets. No, it wasn't even 17. I don't remember how many sheets it was of cardstock left, so I couldn't do what I was planning on doing. So I had to order cardstock. So I got that. I got the Nina. 110 pounds, and then we went to Target for a COVID booster. And while we were there, I got the 1989 Taylor's version because it just come out. But yeah, we went for a COVID booster yesterday, and it made both of us super tired. And then my arm is sore. But then this is today. We went for ran a bunch of errands. I read Husband Material. We went for a bunch of errands. We went to Joann because I needed another skein of yarn for this blanket I'm making. I returned another pair of sneakers at Kohl's, and then 2 things for Amazon. Got new sneakers. We went to Sam's Club and Target, and then that was it. And now I'm down here filming videos. Very uneventful month because I really couldn't do anything for a few days. If not even, like, it's been, what was that, the 12th? And today's the 31st. It's been almost this whole month of me not being able to do anything. But I really have to get back to exercising. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I tried to make a doctor's appointment, and the earliest doctor's appointment I can get was November 24th. And I don't want to go to urgent care, because urgent care is just horrendous. So it is what it is right now. Thanks for joining me today. And let's see, where's my, here it is. I'll give you, here's my journal for November. So now this has to go upstairs. So I have it upstairs, and then that's done. And then that's it. Then we're going to be working. I cannot believe October flew by. It flew by insanely fast. So anyway, thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and let me know what kind of journal you're using for November. Let me know. I always like to know what kind of journals people are using. I find it very interesting what people decide to do. Yep, so let me know. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.